Do you use Gmail? I do use Gmail, and there was a very big mistake that I made. And you're probably making the same mistake. I've used so many computers, so many laptops, so many MacBooks, so many mobile phones. And what all of these devices have in common is that I use them to access my Gmail. When I lost one of my mobile phones, I realized that someone was reading my emails. So that's when I went out searching. I then found a way to sign out of my Gmail even though I do not have that device anymore. And this is simple. This is what you need to do, whether you lost your mobile phone or your devices or not. You need to find out how many places you're signed into your Gmail in order to take control of it. So what you need to do is to go to myaccount.google.com. You click where it says security. Scroll right down to where it says your devices, as you can see here. These are some of the devices from which I signed into my Gmail. And there are more. Go on and click where it says manage all devices there. On this list are some of the devices that I've used. Some of them I do not use anymore. Some of them I do not have anymore. But I was still signing into the Gmail there. So it's very simple to sign out of your Gmail, again, whether the device is there with you or not. So what you need to do, on the right hand side, click on this arrow here. It brings you to this screen. Go on and click on sign out. It will ask you if you want to sign out of this device. You sign out of it. So what you need to do is to go through this message to understand more about what it is saying. So on that very device, if there are other apps to which you sign in using this very email, it means that you are still signed into those very apps. So what you need to do, you follow this instruction and do something about it. I'm going to show you this in my next video. I hope this has been helpful. Please subscribe and like my channel. Thank you.